So how to lose weight. These are some tips on how I lost weight. It might help you. And if you are struggling to lose weight, it might be because you're overeating. That's it. That is it. That's the ugly truth. You might be overeating or not working out enough. We'll talk about it. But what I mean by overeating, everything has calories. Everything you eat and drink has calories except for water. Okay? Now, this is the prime example. I love cashews. Of course, see, I got the biggest bag. So, let's talk about the calories. This has 160 calories. That sounds like not a lot, right? But it's 160 per serving. So, when you look in the back of anything that you eat or drink, it'll tell you calories 160, but that's just for per serving. And so 1.5 cups, that'll be 160 calories. So when you, like me, I can just eat a lot. This can wrap up to 500 calories real quick. Okay, so put that back in your mind. Everything you eat and drink has calories. Now, a good rule of thumb, me personally, I like to eat about 1,500 calories a day. It depends. It depends. But this is the goal. I like to eat 500 calories per meal, not snacks, per meal. And I like to limit my snacking, okay? And the real thing that really helped me lose weight is intermittent fasting. That's it. And if you eat too little of calories, your body don't think you're starving and start holding on to fast. So we don't want to do that. So 1,500 to 2,000 calories is good. But also remember this, 3,500 calories is 1 pound. 3,500 calories is 1 pound. So me personally, I'm going to get away from that number as much as possible. But if you work out, it gives you more calories to eat. So for instance, if I ate like 700 calories, I work out, I can eat about 2,000 calories a day. That's just give you an example. So that was like a long intro. So basically my first tip is to watch what you eat. Eat less and count your calories. So the first tip, of course, is to watch what you eat. Eat less calories. Me personally, I like to eat the same thing every day because I know what's in it. I know the calories. You know what I mean? Like, I don't get tired of it too. I know a lot of people say they can't do it. You know what I mean? Like, I could do it. It's not a problem. And it's always better to cook at home. But if you do have to go to fast food, make sure it's healthy. You know what I mean? Make sure it's healthy. So basically, watch what you eat. Counting calories is exhausting. I don't really like to count calories. That's why, like I said, I like to eat the same thing every day. Now, another tip. Another tip is, well, I don't know. Well, let me add this to watch what you eat. So with drinks has calories except for water, like I said. But drinking water every day consistently gets tiring and boring. And like, I'm getting tired of drinking water. That happens. So sparkling water always helps with that. So like, that's why I like to switch it out, drink sparkling water sometimes. And I also like to drink, like, if I drink some juice, it would have to be like a healthy type of juice to help. You know what I mean? Or flavor water. Or Gatorade. You know what I mean? All that helps. And so, while we're talking about food, meal prepping is going to be your best friend. Meal prepping is going to be essential for losing weight. And I say that because when you're starving, when you feel like you're starving, you just want to eat anything. You know what I mean? Like, I just want to eat something, right? So if you have a meal prep, you already know exactly what you're going to eat. You know what I mean? You can meal prep for a whole week or 3 to 4 days. So you already have your lunch, breakfast. Well, I like to just meal prep lunch and dinner. It works out for me. Because breakfast, I feel like it's easy to make. You know, if I want some eggs, turkey bacon, I feel like that's easy to make. But lunch and dinner, I feel like those are a little complicated. So that's why I like to meal prep those meals. Okay, so we talked about counting calories. You also can get a calorie counter if you want, a scale, and it can weigh your food if you want. Let's talk about working out because it's very important. So when you just started with your workout journey, I suggest doing cardio first. You need to lower the body fat. So just do cardio. work out your cardio, and then I feel like probably a month later, I'm not an expert, but then you can incorporate lifting weights. And you don't have to lift heavy if you don't want to. You can lift light, but you have to get in the gym. Get in the gym, work out, burn calories, and all that good stuff. So that is basically it. That is how to lose weight. I say this all the time. Literally every time you see me at the gym, I always say, eat less, move your body more. That is the cheat code. That's the ugly truth on how to lose weight. The basic thing is basically you're just overeating. I know it's hard to say. And when you really think about it, half the time, speaking from personal experience, half the time when I'm just eating, I'm not even hungry. I'm just probably just bored or something. So when you really listen to your body and only eat when you're hungry, you unlock a cheat code, okay? So only eat when you're hungry. That's basically it. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. Make sure you subscribe. My content is all about literally everything about my life. Lifestyle. I'll show you guys the gym. Right now we're focusing on the gym and preparing for grad school. That's basically it, because summer I don't really have any plans. But I make things happen. So make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog.